Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a short review, first look as you will, of the Hauwei Mate 10 Pro. So stay tuned for the video. So alright guys, so before we start, if you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and then click on the notification bell to stay notified of any future content I upload. Also, if you'd like to comment, stick a comment below. I'll try to answer as many questions as I can to give you good, decent answers. Also hit that like button to help me rank up in the videos. If there's anything that I've mentioned in the video, there will be a link in the description, and in the description there will also be more info on the product that I'm reviewing. So thanks again for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Right then, let's start with this unboxing then. As you can see, it comes in a nice premium box. So if you can make it out on camera, but you've got the sort of band that goes across the name, which kind of represents what the back of the phone looks like. It's kind of their signature look, and I imagine it's going to be on most, or even all, Huawei devices in the future. You see the Leica dual cameras it has on it. It's supposed to be very good. Other than that, the box is very plain. The super charge or fast charge is a TUV red certified, so it's not just some Chinese crap that they're claiming to be fast. It's actually really good, apparently, on par with OnePlus's Dash charge. So yeah, on the top of the box you've got the specs of this device. It's the grey, titanium grey model with 128 gig of ROM and 6 gig of RAM. I think you can get a 64 gig and a 4 gig of RAM one, but I won't bother because this doesn't have a expandable memory, so you'll be stuck with whatever gigabyte of memory you have. So right, let's crack on with this then. So the trusty little knife. As you can see, it's got nice texture on the front and it's smooth there. Nice bit of branding. You can see the Huawei sign there in the light. Right, let's get this open. Right, as you can see, the phone is presented to you. Huawei design. Right, first of all, let's remove the phone. That's pretty cool. Not normally any phones have that little thing to help you out. You normally have to tip the box upside down. So, see what we get in the box then. So in this over here you got the, I'm here in the UK as you can probably tell by my accent, but there's a 3-pin charger, which it's a travel one, super fast charger. Yeah, you can make it out there, supercharge. It's good. You get the USB Type-C cable. With this little branding of purple, which means it's the official supercharged cable. You can also get a car charger by Huawei, which has also got the purple accents inside it to indicate that it's the supercharge, and your standard earbuds. USB-C, of course, because this doesn't have an earphone jack, which is a bit of a disappointment, but it doesn't really bother me because I've got Bluetooth speakers, headphones, which are pretty good. A review of which will be coming up soon. So these are very Apple-esque. I'm sure to try them out, but I probably won't because I've got the wireless ones. And you've got the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, I'll probably be using this in my car because I've got an aux out. So I just plug that, keep that in permanent, so I can just plug my phone in and listen to my music that way. Because my car don't have Bluetooth. Right, in the other side then, get some documentation. Warranty card. Apparently it's have a 2-year warranty, so it's good to keep hold of that. What else we got? Just a bit of manual, SIM ejection tool, and we have, let's get it opened, included case. As you can see, it's frosted with the Hauwei band going right across where it is on the back of the phone. Let's see if it fits good. It's tight, really tight fit. Could barely get on. Right. She's on now. Still, the phone still feels really thin. Pretty cool. Right, that's it for all the box. Let's push this out the way. And onto the phone, and let's take this case off. So, right. Start with this. Let's peel this off. I don't know if you can make out, but there's this is a screen protector on it. It's going to give you a bit of protection before you get an actual tempered one or another one. I'm going to keep it on because it's pretty. They've done a good job of keeping that on there. Looks like it's just a normal screen except for the notch bit at the top. And then this is my favourite bit. Look at that design. Very, very smart. There's this band I was talking about, and that obviously corresponds with the case. Goes right over there and exposes the nice matte part to that back. This comes with Gorilla Glass. They've not specified which type or which stage, but yeah, it's Gorilla Glass nonetheless, so it should be pretty sturdy. Such a beautiful design. So 6-inch screen, 20 megapixel cameras, 6 gig of RAM, 128 gig of memory, and also 4,000 milliamp hour battery. You're looking at a 2-day charge there, guys. 2-day running, sorry, on one charge, and it could be charged in an hour and a half from 0 to 100, which is a mean feat for a 4,000 milliamp battery. So right, let's turn this on. See if it's got any juice in it. There you go. Such a stunning phone. So on the bottom you got the USB jack, microphone, another little microphone there, down facing speaker, the antenna bands. On the top you got IR blaster and another microphone. On the right, or on the left of the phone, sorry, you got the SIM tray. This is a dual SIM, but it's only like I said previously, it doesn't have a memory card, so you can put 2 SIM cards and then take a call from either of them without having to restart the phone. So that's a pretty cool little feature. And then on the side you've got the volume rockers and the power button. Now on the back you've got the dual camera with dual LED tone flash. I think this is a laser to do with the depth perception and also the fingerprint scanner. So yeah, right. Right guys, as you can see I need to insert SIM card, but I shall skip this for now. Right, in fact let me just go through all the setup and then we'll come back. Right, so now I'm back and I've set it all up. As you can see, it's got a beautiful display. Not sure if you can see the quality of that on the camera, but it's pretty nifty. Yeah, it's has a 6-inch display. It's got many functions such as full screen display. So if an app isn't made to fit the 16:9 aspect ratio, click a little button at the bottom and it says full screen display, and it will adapt to fit that that shape of the screen, the size of the screen rather. So the fingerprint's lightning fast. So before you can even turn it around, it comes on. So it's off. So it takes about just under a second. Yeah, the display is amazing. One thing to note though, it's a very slippery phone, and also it's a fingerprint magnet. You can't keep this clean for any longer than 5 minutes. I mean, you can see them at the bottom there. Not had a chance to look at the camera yet, but other reviews have saying that it's probably the second best camera on all phones after the S9. So yeah, so that's the unboxing and first look. I'll leave a link in the description of this item and any accessories for it. I'm going to do a full in-depth review coming soon, so if you want to see that, click that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like the page. Also hit that notification bell so you stay notified, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.